Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Vasi here, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can make any logo online for free. So let's begin the video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make any logo, either if you are going to make a logo for your YouTube channel, your Facebook channel, your business or anything, as a logo is important for any kind of business or brand, so it should be unique and beautiful. In this video I'm going to show you a website where you can make a logo completely for free and you can download it, and this website has a lot of different templates available. So if you're really new to logo making, you're going to get a really good idea. Let's suppose that if you want to make a logo for a gaming channel, then this website is going to have a lot of templates available and you're going to get a good idea of what kind of gaming logo you should have, and the process is same for all the other categories. And in this video I'm going to be giving away 2 subscriptions of this online logo maker site as well, so make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you know how you can participate in this giveaway. Anyways, let's move towards our PC. Here I am on my Windows PC. The process is same for Mac, so all you need to do is to open your browser and you need to open this website. It's DesignEvo.com. I will put this website link in the video description just below the like button. So here you can see you can make custom logos with this DesignEvo software, which is really cool, which I'm going to demonstrate in the rest of the video. So you're going to have 10,000 plus different logos. Here you can see it, they're going to show you some sample logos as well, and you can create different things like social media profile logo, software app logo, and so on. And here if you go on the top where it says logo ideas, if you're going to make the logo for a very first time and you don't know what type of logo you should have, then this is the best place to go, because here, let's suppose I want to make a logo for some medical shop or some medical company. For that I'm just going to go to the logos ideas section, and here it should have a medical section as well. Here you can see healthcare logo. I'm just going to press on this, and here it's going to show me all the logos related to medical field. So in this way, if I really don't know from scratch how my logo should look, I can see these ideas and I can edit these logos directly if I like any of them, and can change the color, design, etc. according to my needs. So before you begin to make your logo, I highly suggest that first of all you make an account. On the top right side here it says sign up. So if you don't have an account, you can sign up with Facebook, Google, or you can enter your email. Since I have already an account, I'm going to log in. The reason that you should have an account, because if you're going to make any logo design, if you want to save your work, then it can only be saved if you have a account. So it's great to have an account which is free, so nothing too much costly. Here let's go down. So here we have different logos available. Let's go to the main DesignEvo website again. Let's suppose that I want to make a logo for a gaming channel. Again I'm going to go to the logo ideas. Here you can see on the trending section we have the gaming logo. We are going to press on it, and if you don't find your category over here, you can use the search bar as well. Okay, going down here it's going to show me different logos for the gaming section. Again you can have different logos. If you want to see more logos, just press on the more logos button and the list is going to go on. So let's just suppose I want to edit this logo because I like it, so I'm going to press on the customize button. Here you can see here is the logo editor of this website. So let me just tell you how you can do different things. First of all, on the top left side you can go back. If you don't like this logo, you can undo, redo any actions that you have done. Here on the icon section on the left side you can add any icons. So let's suppose I want to have a fire icon on this one. I can just press on the fire button and it's going to show me the different fire icons available on the website, and usually this website is going to have almost all the icons you're going to need. So you can add any fire icon. Let's just say I want this icon to be added to my logo, so I'm just going to press on it and you're going to see it is placed. Now I can just click on it, drag and drop it anywhere I want. If I want to change the color of this fire, you can see here I have the color as well. After the icon section, on the second we have the text section. From here you can change the text font style of your logos. Here it says logo name. If I just double press on the logo, we are going to have the text editor. Let me just type my name. Let's say I need it to be Vase Gaming. Okay, and you can see the text or font is large, so I'm going to click on it, press on Ctrl A to select the whole text. Here there is the text size, so I'm just going to reduce it to 38 so that it is more clearly readable and within my logo. Okay, now I can drag it to the left side as well for better positioning. Here you're going to have a slogan as well, which you can change if you want to. So if you want to just remove it, you can just press on the delete key. In my case, I'm going to type sleep game repeat. Again, it's a little large, so we're going to reduce the text or font size to something that can fit over here. So 14 is okay. So again, if I want to change the font size of this, I can just press on it, and here if I press on any font size, you can see it is going to be added automatically here as well. And again, you can change all the colors as well. Now on the third section, we got shape. Here you can add different shapes. We got badge, decoration, banners, etc, etc, the list goes on. And here on the background section, you can change the background color. You can see it is red. You can go with gradients or color, so you can see I can go with any color if I want to, as you can see right here. So purple looks cool according to the color scheme. We can change the fire color later again. So if I just press on it, I can change it to a little more reddish. Here we go, the fire color is looking much better than before. If you don't want to have any background, meaning you want to have a transparent background, just press on the transparent background button and the background will be removed. So usually you're going to use it in many cases. If you're going to have a watermark on your photos, videos, then a transparent background is needed. So in this way you can have a transparent background on your logo as well. After that, if you're happy with the changes and if you want to save your logo, just press on the save button. So you can see it's saying saving your changes. After that, we're going to press on the download button. So here you can see you just created an excellent logo. Download a low resolution free logo. So if you want to download a free logo, you can download it in low resolution, and it doesn't going to have the transparent background, but you can download it completely for free, and it will not have any kind of watermark from the company, like there will be not any DesignEvo watermark. So let me just download the free version as well. After that, I'm going to show you in the premium version as well. So it's going to download it in the zip files. You need some kind of zip software like WinRAR, etc. I'm going to open the zip file, and here if I open the logo, you can see that it is downloaded. Again, not in high quality, but will do in many cases like for YouTube, etc, where lot resolution is not required and there is no watermark. So guys, now let's talk about the giveaway. So I'm going to be giving away 2 subscriptions of this DesignEvo website where you can make awesome logos. For this, all you need to do is to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and in the comment section type what you think about this particular logo maker. And if you want to follow me in Instagram, you can do so. In this way, your chances of getting selected will increase. I will announce the winners next week on YouTube shorts section, so make sure that you subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified. So now I'm going to download the logo again, but in high resolution. So just press on the download button. Okay, your design has been downloaded. I'm going to open the zip file again. Here is the logo folder. Let me extract it to my desktop so that you can see it much better. Okay, here is the logo folder. Here it is. So when you're going to download with the premium subscription, you're going to get some additional perks as well. First of all, you're going to get the fonts file as well, so that you can edit it later in any other software like Photoshop, etc, because they are giving you the fonts, which is really cool because it's really hard to find fonts of the same kind. Here is the high resolution folder. So these pictures are going to be, or the logos are going to be in high resolution, as you can see, and it's also going to be in a transparent background as well, which is really cool that they are going to provide you all the logos. Here is the original file, and last but not least, we have the vector file. So by vector meaning that you can edit it later on the DesignEvo website. So guys, in this way you can make high quality logos and download them for free. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Again, all the links regarding this video will be in the video description. Other than that, thank you for watching and stay safe.